In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can stop being added to Instagram groups. You can simply stop being added to random groups on Instagram in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, scroll down into the section of how others can interact with you. Then select the option of messages and story replies. Tap on message controls. Inside the section of group settings, select this option of who can add you to groups. Tap on this option of only people you follow on Instagram. You won't be added to groups by anyone you don't follow. Only your followed accounts are allowed to add you to groups. You can also customize among friends who are allowed to add you into Instagram groups. If you have any questions,
blocked friends
just let me know in the comments
section
down
any
below
group
on Instagram. Please don't forget to leave a like,
it is to
share
stop
and subscribe
accounts
for
from
more
adding you to
video
random
tutorials
groups
on
like this
Instagram.
one.